The past year represented a significant period of growth and increased adoption for artificial intelligence technologies. The introduction of ChatGPT a year ago brought artificial intelligence into the public consciousness and triggered a surge in investments and recruitment across various sectors. AI transitioned from specialized, isolated applications to widespread mainstream use at an unprecedented pace. However, as we enter 2024, the hype surrounding AI's capabilities is poised to meet practical realities. People and organizations will grapple more deeply with understanding AI's strengths, as well as its limitations as these systems are applied broadly. Based on recent trends, here are 3 major changes reckoning with AI may unfold in the coming year. Let's delve into them one by one. Number 1. Increased market participants. This year has seen Google undergo numerous humiliations, but don't think it will continue indefinitely. There will be 3 or more competitors offering services that are on par with or superior to OpenAI's current offerings by the end of 2024. These most likely consist of a mix of Meta, Amazon, Google, Anthropic, IBM. It could be predicted that Amazon will make the largest unexpected breakthrough. Non-coders frequently fail to see their supremacy in cloud computing. They, in my opinion, are in the best position to invest a significant sum of money and experience in developing a very effective, commoditized broad language model that will dethrone OpenAI the following year. Moving on to number 2, blurring realities. AI's innovation in producing indiscernible voice and video. With HeyGen's personalized avatars, an AI video representation of yourself, and Meta's expressive translations, which allow you to speak in several languages with a voice and style that are distinctive to you, we've already begun to see significant advancements in this area. Furthermore, it is already feasible to precisely mimic a celebrity's voice. The advancements in audio and video technology over the course of the next year will make it practically hard to tell the difference between real and AI-generated media. And a lot of influencers and celebrities will welcome this, enabling them to make ads and Instagram reels with almost no real recording needed. Additionally, we should expect faster and better audio and video editing, a field that Descript has already completely transformed in my opinion. This AI-powered video and audio editing program is going to completely change the way you edit audio and video. With its revolutionary approach to editing, Descript opens up a new world of improved productivity and creativity. By utilizing cutting-edge artificial intelligence technologies, it makes video and audio editing easier and more seamless. Now let's have a look at third major change. AI is getting real cool, real fast. If we look at the technology adoption curve, which is basically a curve that follows a bell curve pattern, where each group of adopters represents a specific percentage of the overall population. Innovators constitute around 2.5%, early adopters around 13.5%, the early majority and late majority both at 34%, and laggards make up the remaining 16%. However, a notable gap exists between early adopters and the early majority, referred to as the chasm. This gap stems from differing expectations and needs of these groups, along with challenges in introducing disruptive innovations to mainstream consumers. Last year, lots of innovators and early adopters were trying out fun new AI stuff, but next year, things will get interesting. That's because more average folks will jump on the AI train in 2024. There's a name for these kinds of people. They're called the early majority. Once the early majority start using tools like Google Assistant and Siri, competition will heat up. Why? Well, companies that have been using AI like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft will face more rivals as regular companies also hop on the AI bandwagon. Everyone will want a piece of the cool new technologies. Experts think 2024 will be a big year for the economy, thanks to AI helping get things done better and faster. But as more average Joes catch on to AI's powers, you'll have to work hard to keep improving your skills. Those who learn new tricks and stay one step ahead will succeed the most. So get ready. 2024 looks like it will be a fun, game-changing year as artificial intelligence spreads even wider. Exciting times are ahead as AI truly enters the mainstream. Alright, buckle up! We've just taken a deep dive into the 3 major game changers, and now it's time to peek into the crystal ball for the thrilling AI trends to keep your eyes on in 2024. Get ready for some mind-blowing insights into the future of artificial intelligence. In 2024, AI video generators are set to revolutionize the way videos are created, making the process faster and more accessible. Pika Labs is one of the early video champs in this space, capable of generating high-quality short clips with text prompts. As AI technology continues to advance, video models are predicted to make the same leap as text and image models, enabling lifelike scenes and almost like chatting with a buddy. This shift is driven by companies like Mistral AI, Synthesia, NVIDIA, and DeepBrain AI, which offer AI video generation platforms that allow users to create engaging videos without any experience in video editing or design. Mistral AI, for example, is an open-source AI platform that focuses on making compute-efficient, helpful, and trustworthy AI models. Their early generative AI platform is available in early access, offering open and optimized models for generation and embeddings. Mistral AI's models are designed to be 6x faster and match or outperform Llama 270B on all benchmarks, while also supporting multiple languages and having natural coding abilities. These advancements in AI video generation platforms make it possible for users to leverage AI technology in various ways, such as creating engaging videos for personal or business projects, fostering collaboration, and enhancing storytelling. As AI video generators continue to evolve, the potential for lifelike and engaging video content is set to expand significantly in 2024. This revolution in AI-generated video will have a profound impact on various industries, including marketing, filmmaking, and education, offering new possibilities for content creation and storytelling. However, the usage of terms like large language model, in short LLM, is expected to decline in the field of AI. Currently, these terms are often employed as a shorthand for denoting any advanced AI model, primarily influenced by the prominence of text-only models like GPT-3. However, as the variety of AI model types expands and AI becomes more multimodal, such terminology becomes less precise and useful. The evolution of multimodal AI has been a significant trend in 2023, with leading generative AI models incorporating various elements such as text, images, 3D, audio, video, music, and physical action. Describing these models solely as language models becomes inadequate. For instance, consider an AI model trained on amino acid sequences and molecular structures to generate de novo protein therapeutics. While its architecture extends from models like GPT-3, labeling it as a large language model seems inappropriate. Similarly, foundation models in robotics, integrating visual and language input with extensive internet-scale knowledge for real-world actions, may need more descriptive terms like vision language action in short VLA models. This need for richer terminology also applies to models like DeepMind's Fun Search, acknowledged as an LLM but focused on mathematics rather than natural language. In 2024, as AI models become more multidimensional, there will be a corresponding evolution in the terminology used to characterize them. Meanwhile, AI is poised to introduce novel applications for smartphones as increasingly efficient models enable AI features on smaller devices. Historically, major AI products have primarily been accessible on desktop or in-browser, mainly due to the substantial compute power needed to operate the models behind these products. However, with the development of smaller and more efficient models like Google's Gemini Nano, there is an anticipation that numerous AI workloads will be handled on-device in smaller devices. These advancements are set to open up a diverse range of AI-powered functionalities for smartphones. Although billions of dollars have been invested in AI businesses like Anthropic, Cohere, Hugging Face, OpenAI, and others by big tech firms like Microsoft, Amazon, NVIDIA, and Alphabet, concerns regarding possible accounting rule violations, specifically the practice of round-tripping, where an investment is essentially used to convert the investor's cash into revenue through guaranteed spending by the startup on the investor's services, are raised by these investments. which are intended to secure long-term computer customers. In 2024, the SEC in particular may scrutinize these deals more closely, which might have an effect on the landscape of AI fundraising by reducing the quantity and size of these investments. NVIDIA's cloud expansion. Meanwhile, NVIDIA is set to significantly expand its efforts to establish itself as a cloud provider. While most organizations acquire NVIDIA GPUs indirectly through cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, these major customers are now turning into competitors. Amazon, Microsoft, and Google are investing heavily in developing their own AI chips, posing a direct challenge to NVIDIA's GPU market dominance. In response, NVIDIA may counter this trend by venturing into cloud services, operating its data centers, and reducing its reliance on these cloud companies for distribution. The company has already initiated this shift with the introduction of DGX Cloud, and it is anticipated that NVIDIA will further intensify these efforts in the coming year. This may involve establishing its data centers, potentially acquiring a cloud provider like CoreWeave, with whom it collaborates closely, or pursuing other strategies for vertical integration. The evolving relationship between NVIDIA and major cloud providers is expected to become more intricate in 2024. Navigating the open source versus closed source dilemma. Moving on, navigating the open source versus closed source dilemma becomes a critical consideration in the AI landscape, impacting the development and accessibility of advanced models. The most cutting-edge closed AI models are expected to maintain a significant performance advantage over their open-source counterparts. The ongoing discussion in the AI community revolves around the choice between open-source and closed-source AI models. While major developers like OpenAI, Google DeepMind, Anthropic, and Cohere keep their advanced models confidential, companies like Meta and the emerging startup Mistral have opted to share their state-of-the-art model weights publicly. Currently, the top-performing foundation models, such as OpenAI's GPT-4, are closed source. Despite arguments from open-source advocates that the performance gap is narrowing and open models could surpass closed models in the near future, we disagree. Our prediction is that closed models will continue to outperform open models significantly in 2024 and beyond. The landscape of foundation model performance is evolving rapidly. Mistral has announced plans to open source a GPT-4 level model in 2024, sparking excitement in the open source community. However, by the time Mistral releases its model, it might be trailing behind. OpenAI could have already introduced GPT 4.5 or even GPT-5, setting a new benchmark in performance. Catching up with a well-established frontier, as Mistral aims to do, is generally more achievable than pioneering a new frontier. For instance, building GPT-4 with a mixture of experts' architecture was a riskier and more challenging endeavor for OpenAI than Mistral following suit with its own model several months later. In 2024, there are structural reasons to doubt that open models will surpass closed models in performance. Developing models that push the boundaries of what is possible requires massive investments, with estimates suggesting around $2 billion for OpenAI's GPT-5. Companies like Meta, being publicly traded and accountable to shareholders, may not invest such significant amounts in building a model just to release it for free without expecting a concrete return on investment. Smaller players like Mistral face a similar dilemma. Without a clear revenue model for open-source foundation models, the challenge becomes evident. Even if Mistral had the resources to build a model surpassing OpenAI's, the question remains whether it would choose to give it away for free. As these companies invest more in powerful AI models, there's a possibility they may reconsider their open-source stance and keep their most advanced models proprietary to monetize them. Now get ready for a workplace makeover because AI is taking center stage in the job market. Morgan Stanley predicts that in just 3 years, a whopping 40% of the workforce will feel the impact of AI. But here's the catch. Employers are scrambling to find talented individuals who know their way around AI. According to an Amazon survey, a whopping 75% of employers searching for AI-savvy folks are struggling to fill those roles. It's like a high-stakes game of talent hide and seek, but the fun doesn't stop there. Forrester, the research pros, predict that by 2024, 60% of workers will be flexing their own AI muscles to get the job done. As the demand for AI-savvy pros skyrockets, job seekers are revving up their skills engine to stay ahead of the game. In fact, soon you might see ChatGPT listed right alongside Excel on resumes for most white-collar gigs. It's not just a trend, it's a career game-changer. Amidst these advancements and strategic shifts, the exponential rise in the capabilities of AI models in 2023 was accompanied by controversy and drama, and 2024 is expected to be no different. OpenAI's board is yet to take final form, causing uncertainty over what is arguably the biggest company in AI. Google's Gemini Ultra model is yet to be released, already causing much debate about its capabilities compared to GPT-4. Apple is yet to announce a major AI product, and an announcement here could shake things up in a big way. As new alternatives emerge, the transformer architecture may be challenged as the dominant framework for building AI models. Depending on the verdict of several key court cases and major new legislation, the pace of progress in AI may see significant acceleration or deceleration. As we navigate these transformative trends, 2024 promises to be a thrilling year for artificial intelligence, with new possibilities, challenges, and breakthroughs on the horizon. Stay engaged, adapt to the evolving landscape, and seize the opportunities presented by the AI-driven future. Thank you for joining us on this insightful exploration of the AI trends and predictions. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell.